Good morning, students. Let's continue with chapter number 3, HCF and LCM, practice set 13. Today we'll be dealing with question number 2. Let's read the question. Find the HCF and LCM of the given numbers. Verify that their product is equal to the product of the given numbers. Let's consider first sum. We have to find out HCF and LCM of 32 and 37. Now 32 and 37 are co-prime numbers, so its only factor will be 1. So 32 into 1 is 32. 32 into 1 is 32. 37 into 1 is 37. Now we can proceed towards writing HCF. Therefore, HCF is equals to 1. Now let's find out the LCM. Now for finding out LCM, we'll be multiplying numbers forming L shape. So the numbers which are forming L shape are 1 into 32 into 37. Let's multiply them. 1 into 32 is 32. 32 into 37 is 1184. Now in this sum, along with finding out HCF and LCM, we have to also verify the relation product of two numbers is equals to HCF into LCM. Let's take the left hand side of this relationship, that is, let's now product of two numbers is equals to 32 into 37. Now product of 32 and 37 is 1184. We can mark this as statement number 1. Now let's find out product of HCF and LCM. HCF into LCM is equals to, now what is the HCF? HCF is 1. What is LCM? LCM is 1184. So product of 1 into 1184 is 1184. This can be marked as statement number 2. Now, children, what we observe from statement 1 and 2, we can see the value of product of two numbers is 1184 and HCF into LCM is also equals to 1184. Means both values are same. So we can write, therefore, from statement 1 and 2, product of two numbers is equals to HCF into LCM. So the property, that is product of two numbers is equals to HCF into LCM, is verified. Let's continue with sub question 4. Here we have to find out LCM and HCF of 18 and 63. Now 18 and 63 both are multiples of 3, so we can take 3 as a common factor. 3 6 are 18, 3 21s are 63. Now 6 and 21 also are multiples of 3. So we can take table of 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. 2 and 7 do not have any common divisor. So we can stop and first write the HCF. HCF is equals to product of numbers which are on the left. That is 3 into 3. So HCF is 9. Now let's find out the LCM. LCM is equals to product of numbers which are forming L shape. That is 3 into 3 into 2 into 7. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 2 is 18. 18 into 7 is 126. So LCM is 126. Now let's proceed towards verification of relationship. Now children, let's find out product of two numbers. Product of two numbers is equals to 18 into 63. Now 18 into 63 is 1134. Now this can be taken as statement number 1. Now let's find out product of HCF and LCM. Now value of HCF is 9 and LCM is 126. Now 9 into 126 is 1134. This can be taken as statement number 2. Now children, observe statement number 1 and statement number 2. Product of two numbers is 1134. HCF into LCM is also 1134. Means both the values are equal. So we can write, therefore, from statement 1 and 2, product of two numbers is equals to HCF into LCM. So the property product of two numbers is equals to HCF into LCM is verified. Children, let's continue with sub-question 5. We have to find out HCF and LCM of 78 and 104. Now, 78 and 104, both numbers are even numbers, so we can start with 2 as a common factor. 2 into 39 is 78. 2 into 52 is 104. Now we have 39 and 52. 39 and 52, both numbers are multiples of 13. So we can apply table of 13. 13 3s are 39. 13 4s are 52. Now 3 and 4. Now both numbers 3 and 4 do not have a common divisor. So we will stop factorization here and we can proceed towards writing HCF. Now HCF is equals to product of numbers on the left, that is 2 into 13. 2 into 13 is 26. Now let's find out the LCM. LCM is equals to product of numbers which are forming L shape, that is 2 into 13 into 3 into 4. Now 2 into 13 is 26. 3 into 4 is 12. Now let's multiply 26 and 12. The answer is 312. So the LCM of given numbers is 312. Now we have to also verify the property, that is product of two numbers is equals to HCF into LCM. Now children, let's find out product of two numbers. Now product of two given numbers is equals to 78 into 104. Now 78 into 104 is 8112. We can number this as statement number 1. Now let's take product of HCF and LCM. Now HCF into LCM is equals to 26 into LCM is 312. Now 26 into 312 is 8112. Now this can be taken as statement number 2. Now children, what we observe from statement number 1 and 2, we can observe product of two numbers is 8112 and HCF into LCM also is 8112. That is, both the values are same. So we can write therefore from statement 1 and 2, product of two numbers is equals to HCF into LCM. Now so the property, that is product of two numbers is equals to HCF into LCM, is verified. Dear children, you need to solve practice set 13, question number 2, sum number 1 to 5, all sub questions in your maths notebook. Thank you.